Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a picture circle in Microsoft Word. So the first step you need to do is to open Microsoft Word, click on insert, click on picture, and you have three options. So I'm going to select from this device. So let me select a picture. So I'm go with this picture, click on insert. Once that picture is added here, you simply need to click on picture format, click on this arrow and select this option. And once that option is selected, select that picture, and once you are here you simply need to click here this arrow icon so to see the advanced layout. And first you need to uncheck this box, and in absolute you need to add the value 3.66 and copy that, paste that here as well, click on OK. Now you can see that a circle is created. Click here, and with text wrapping select that option. You can move, and if you want to do any extra things you simply need to click here shadow. So here it is a shadow, so I do not want any shadow, so you simply need to increase the transparency here. You can increase the size, anything that you want to do, blurriness, so it is up to you that you can play. So this is a process that you need to follow to create a picture circle in Microsoft Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.